Stylin, what does it really mean? Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a trendy phrase that you might have heard in pop culture, music, or among friends. It's the word, stylin. What does it mean? How do you use it? Let's unravel the mystery together. Stylin is essentially a colloquial form of the word styling. It's often used in informal settings and carries a positive connotation. When someone says you're stylin, they mean you have a distinctive and attractive appearance or that you're showing off in a good way. It can be related to fashion, the way you carry yourself, or even the way you handle situations. To help you better understand, let's go through some sentences. 1. Did you see Jenna's new outfit? She's totally stylin' today. 2. With those sunglasses and that swagger, he's really stylin' on the beach. 3. You're stylin' with that new haircut. From these examples, you can see that stylin' is used to compliment someone's appearance or demeanor. There are some phrases and variations related to stylin'. 1. Stylin' and profilin'. This phrase means someone is showing off their style and confidence. It's often used in a playful and admiring manner. 2. Stylin' on someone. This means outperforming or showing up someone in style or skill, often with a bit of flair. Stylin' is a fun and positive word to compliment someone's style, confidence, or way of handling things. Next time you see someone looking particularly sharp or handling a situation with flair, don't hesitate to say they're stylin'. Hope you found this video helpful and now have a better grasp of this trendy phrase. Until next time, keep learning and keep stylin'.